Welcome to Taste Buds and Sunita. Today we are diving into a classic South Indian delicacy, Achapam or rose cookies. This recipe is perfect for this Christmas season. What makes this recipe unique is here I am using a healthier alternative, rock sugar or mishri instead of regular sugar, without sacrificing that delicious sweetness. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Take a blender, add half cup of rock sugar and blend it into fine powder. Now set this aside. Take a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of rice flour, a pinch of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds, and now add the powdered rock sugar. Mix these dry ingredients well. Gradually add 1 cup of coconut milk, stirring continuously to form a smooth, lump-free batter. For this recipe, I have used Dabur homemade coconut milk, but you can also use fresh coconut milk if you prefer. To adjust the consistency of the batter, add about 1/4 cup of water. Mix well and set this aside. Now in a blender, add 2 eggs and beat until frothy. Then mix them into the batter. The batter should be slightly runny like a dosa batter and should coat the back of the ladle. Now transfer a small portion of the batter into a smaller bowl for dipping the mold conveniently. Heat oil in a pan over medium flame. Ensure there is enough oil to submerge the achapam mold. Now place the achapam mold in the hot oil, allowing it to heat thoroughly. This step is crucial to ensure the batter adheres properly to the mold. Take the mold out of the oil, shake the excess oil or wipe it with a paper towel or tissue paper. Dip the hot mold halfway into the batter. Avoid immersing the mold completely as this will make it difficult to release the cookie. Transfer the mold into the hot oil and hold it steady. The batter will loosen and separate from the mold on its own. Repeat this process every time you dip the mold into the batter. Fry the achapam until it turns golden brown and crispy, flipping occasionally for even frying. Remove the cookies on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Once cooled, your achapam is ready to serve. The use of rock sugar not only enhances the natural sweetness but also makes this snack a healthier treat. Store the cookies in an airtight container to retain their crunchiness for days. Thank you for joining me on Taste Buds and Sunita. I hope you loved learning this recipe for crispy, flavorful achapam. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.